Hello everyone on a Monday evening. It is Jacob here. I hope you're all doing just fantastic. As you can see, we are in preparation mode for yet another nor'easter here in the Pine Tree State. If you did not already know, there is another significant snowstorm on tap for tomorrow and into Wednesday. As you can see, these storm highlights are pretty impressive. I think we're looking at double digits again in most towns. As a matter of fact, double digits is probably a lock in much of southern, central, and down east Maine. Speaking of down east Maine, some towns out that way may get close to 20 inches of snow. Yes, that is 20 inches, which may be even worse than the storm we saw just last week. I'm expecting little, if any, coastal mixing, so that's a good thing. That'll make the snow a lot fluffier and a lot less work to shovel it for those who don't have a snowblower. Winds could once again gust over 40 miles an hour at times, and with that fluffier snow, we could get some snow drifts going, and they could be several feet high. And most schools are already closed for today. You can go to a complete list on any site that provides weather forecasting. As for winter weather alerts, I don't think there's really much of a reason to show this map. Winter storm warning for the entire area, all of Maine and New Hampshire, are included in that. All right, timing this all out for you on our Futurecast radar. Moving forward, not much is really going to happen overnight tonight. But as you can see, snow starts to creep in. This is around 3 or 4 in the morning, and as you can see, snow is trying to make its way into southern Maine. It eventually wins and starts pushing into northern Maine in the mountains by around 8 or 9 in the morning. And by around noon, I think the entire forecast area is engulfed in moderate to heavy snow. As you can see, those darker shades of white is indicating some of those heavier snow bands where rates could top 2 inches an hour for a brief period of time later tomorrow. Moving forward from there, this snow lingers. This is around 5 in the morning on Wednesday, and it's still snowing. Maybe a little bit of mixing along the down east coast, but it's lighter snow at this point. Most of the bands have faded, but it takes a while for those snow flurries to get out of here. And even by 2, 3, 4 o'clock on Wednesday, I think we'll still be seeing some light snow until I think it finally gets out of the area by 6 or 7 o'clock Wednesday, ending as a few flurries and or sleet pellets. So as you can see here, this is probably the map you've all been waiting for. It is the expected snowfall from Monday night through Wednesday. As you can see, 15 to 18 inches of snow across down east Maine, and I think a lot of towns will be on the upper end of that. Similar situation throughout the rest of the state, 10 to 15 inches expected, and I think a lot of places will be closer to that 13, 14, maybe 15 plus inch range. So with that being said, I may actually have to extend that bullseye to include maybe the capital region and Wiscasset as well. Definitely not a storm to mess with, even for us Mainers. So snow talk's over. We're into our 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, snowstorm, 10 to 18 inches likely with snow and wind. Wednesday, snow lingers throughout the day, finally coming to an end around dawn. Clearing on Thursday, highs near 40, so Thursday isn't a horrible day. Friday, partly cloudy, but watch what happens as we get into St. Paddy's Day. Windy and chilly. It'll feel like the middle to end of January, even though it is mid-March at that time. Sunday, slight improvement, highs back near 40 with a lower wind. And then Monday, another wave comes in from Canada, and we may not get out of the 20s on Monday for a lot of inland towns. And lows Sunday night could be down into the single digits again in some of the valleys. Back to you.